Don't book your next Yosemite trip until you've seen Château du Sureau, a 5-star luxury resort located just outside of Yosemite National Park. Keep watching to see the property's most exclusive villa, Yosemite's best 5-course dining experience, and so much more. Hi friends, and welcome back to another Flying Dawn Marie adventure. This week we are not in Europe, we're actually in Yosemite's southern gateway community of Oakhurst, and we're exploring the beautiful Château du Sureau. Come join me. From the moment the gates open, your arrival feels like stepping into a luxurious European estate filled with cypress, stone, and fresh mountain air. The grounds here are made to wander and relax, from quiet walking paths, a gazebo, ponds, shady swings for slow mornings, a life-size chessboard tucked between the hedges, and a Roman-style swimming pool. At night, twinkle lights turn everything here into a fairy tale. Now let's head inside to explore the Chateau's guest rooms. Each of the individual guest rooms here at Château du Sureau are exquisitely decorated. This week, I'm staying in the sweet geranium room, and it absolutely feels like a European retreat. Each piece of furniture here has been picked out specifically, and some of the pieces of furniture have actually made the trip all the way from Europe right here to California. This room has plenty of space to relax and enjoy the fresh treats awaiting your arrival. From the luxurious canopy bed and vaulted ceilings to the fireplace and a beautiful Juliet balcony with wonderful views. Now, let me grab one of the fresh baked cookies that are always awaiting you here, and let's head upstairs to show you a few of the other rooms. The lavender room is bright and airy with its own writing table, fireplace, beautiful artwork, and Juliet balcony. And the chamomile room has a soothing yellow canary canopy bed, beamed ceilings, fireplace, and balcony. All 10 of the Chateau guest rooms are unique yet cohesive. Breakfast is prepared fresh every morning in the Chateau. The dining room is cozy and inviting. It takes me back to some of my favorite trips to Europe. And breakfast starts perfectly with caffeine and freshly baked croissants. Served with seasonal jams and butter, you can dine inside or outside, and both are equally enjoyable. Two of my favorite dishes are the seasonal parfait with whipped honey yogurt, house-made granola, and seasonal fruit, and the spinach omelet, which is filling without being heavy. While Château du Sureau is only 15 miles from Yosemite National Park, and that's certainly a wonderful draw and perk of staying here, there's also plenty to enjoy without leaving the property. The Chateau has received AAA's 5 Diamond Award and Forbes 5-star property recognition. The main lounge living room area has a beautiful piano, chandelier, and hand-painted ceiling, along with an oversized fireplace, bookcases, chessboard, and plenty of areas to relax. Another unique European touch is the small chapel found just down the hall from the dining room. And for even more relaxing, walk just steps from the Chateau to the Spa du Sureau, which offers massages, facials, and more in a rich European spa environment. And the couple's treatment room is a dream with an oversized spa tub, fireplace, and more. Now, after a day of relaxing on property, from beautiful sunrise views in the morning to delicious pastries on your balcony, relaxing poolside, and yummy afternoon snacks, it's finally time to get ready for another property highlight: dinner at the Elderberry House. This European haven has been welcoming guests to enjoy unforgettable fine dining for over 30 years. From chandeliers and soaring ceilings to personalized menus, the evening starts off with exclusive handcrafted cocktails and mocktails. The service here is first rate and only matched by the incredibly delicious food. And the sunset views are simply perfection. My 5-course experience was a feast for the eyes, and if the food wasn't so delicious, it would be difficult to eat such works of art. From caviar to seared scallops, duck breast, and even 2 desserts, you won't forget an evening here. And the cellar bar is also located here. It's another wonderful dining option. The intimate environment is perfect for a nightcap, a small bite, or a delicious dinner. This is a must stop on any of my trips to Oakhurst. Not only is the food amazing, but they serve the best mocktails I have ever had. Now, if I haven't convinced you yet that this is the most luxurious stay you can book for your next Yosemite trip, I have one more gem to share with you. Welcome to the Villa du Sureau, the most exclusive accommodation on property. This freestanding villa has its own private entrance surrounded by gardens, French fountains, and your very own private outdoor Roman spa. The 2,000 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, Parisian-style manor is pure magic from the moment you arrive. There's a rich library office, and the saloon living room is the epitome of opulence with a Steinway piano, original 19th century European decor, a crystal chandelier, hand-painted ceilings, and more. Both of the villa's suites look like they stepped out of a fairy tale. The first is dripping in princess pink, cloaked in fine floor-to-ceiling gold window drapes, and the ensuite has a chandelier, shower, and separate oversized soaking tub. The second villa suite seems like it could be part of Cinderella's castle, with soaring ceilings, a California king bed, fireplace that's adorned with fine art and pottery, and the ensuite is like your very own private Roman bath with soaring ceilings, steam shower, and elegant soaking tub. Then you can step out onto the balcony, enjoy private views. You'll truly never want to leave the villa. So if you're wondering whether a one-of-a-kind luxury stay near Yosemite actually exists, you'll find the answer is a resounding yes here at the Château du Sureau. Timeless, romantic, and a true sanctuary to make memories that will last a lifetime on your next Yosemite trip. Thank you so much for joining me this week at Château du Sureau, and for more information, make sure to check out my full blog post at flyingdawnmarie.com. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, I hope you find adventure and encouragement wherever you go. Bye!